Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diana, and today is such a nice day. I'm going to be doing a video outside, and I'm going to be showing you some pretty cool science experiments that you can do at home, okay? Hi boys and girls, this is the next activity. This activity is pretty neat. It's fun to watch. It does take a while to see the results, but believe me, it is worth it because I think it's pretty cool. So what you're going to need is some clear cups, okay? It's important to get some clear cups or containers so that you can see the magic that is going to happen, okay? You're going to need 6 of these small sheets of paper towels and a scissor. And you're also going to need food coloring with the primary color. And you're also going to need some water, okay? The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to take your paper towel and you're going to fold it in half horizontally, okay? So this length, long ways, horizontally. We're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold it in half again, horizontally. Okay. Then we're going to fold it this way, okay, which is vertically, right? Then this is the crease part and this is the end. We're going to cut about this much, maybe like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We're gonna cut. And like I said, you're going to need 6 of them. So Miss Diana has already done that. I've already cut 6, okay? Now the next thing that you need is water, and I'm gonna show you what you're going to do with the water, okay? Okay, boys and girls, so with my water, I filled up the cups that I have here. You fill them up approximately the same amount. Now, if you noticed, Miss Diana did not fill up all the cups. So this cup is halfway filled up, this cup is empty. This cup is halfway filled up, this cup is empty. This cup is halfway filled up, this cup is empty, and this is also halfway filled up, okay? So we're going to need, and let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cups, okay? And how many cups need to be filled up with water? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 cups need to be filled up with water. And the other cups, 1, 2, 3, do not need to be filled up with water. If you notice, I have here food coloring. So I have red, yellow, and blue to try to make a rainbow. And this activity is called a walking rainbow, and you're gonna see why it's called a walking rainbow. Okay, boys and girls, so I have red food coloring. I'm going to put 2 drops, or you could put 3 or 4, so I'll put 4. 1, 2, 3, and I'm only gonna put 3 because that's very good. So that's 3 drops of food coloring in this cup. This cup has no water, and in here I'm going to put 3 drops. Depending on how dark this yellow gets, I may have to put more, but we'll see how it looks. So I'm gonna put 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'll put another one. 4. My yellow is looking, it looks amber. Now in here, There's nothing. And in here I'm going to put blue. So let's see, blue is a pretty strong color, so we may not need as many drops. 1, 2, 3, and I'll do one more. 4. Wow, that's a dark blue. And in this last cup, we're going to put, again, red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. So now that we have put all the food coloring in each of the cups, now we're going to take the paper towels that we cut earlier. Okay, remember they need to be folded horizontally 2 times and then vertically 1 time so that they stand up like this, forming an arrow. We're going to put them in between each cup. Okay? So I did that to the red cup and the one that has nothing in it. And then I'm going to put another one to the cup that has nothing in it, to the yellow. And then again to the yellow cup, to the one that has nothing in it. Then I'm going to put it in to the cup that has nothing in it, to the blue. And then to the cup that has the blue, to the one that has nothing in it. And then to the cup that has nothing in it, into the red cup. And you're going to see what's going to happen. As you can see over here, you can see what starts to happen. And I know all of you are smart boys and girls. You're gonna know what happens when you mix colors. So what happens when you mix red and yellow? What color does that make? If you said orange, that's right. The color is gonna make orange. And what is going to happen when we mix yellow and blue? Green, right? If you said green, you're right. So when you mix yellow and blue, it makes green. And what happens when we mix blue and red? What color does that turn into? She said purple. That's right. So that's going to turn into purple. Okay? So now we're going to leave it like this. We're going to have it take its time and see what's going to happen. Okay, and I have here my little slime that I made. If you saw my video on slime earlier, this is what my slime looks like. This is an awesome project. I love it. So if you know what it's gonna turn into, it's gonna be a rainbow. You just need to let it take its time. This does take a little bit of time, boys and girls, but we are going to need a little bit of patience. And you're going to see the cool thing that's going to happen. Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diana again. I'm back. So now look what happened to our cups with the water and food coloring. Look at that. Now, it's supposed to be the color of a rainbow. This is supposed to be purple, and that's supposed to be blue. And down here, that's supposed to be orange. I guess it looks orange, right? And that's yellow. Remember, it looked kind of amber when I put in the coloring. But if you noticed, our first cup had water, and our second cup didn't. And then this cup had water, and this cup didn't. And look, and now it's green. And then this cup had water, and then this cup, it didn't have any water. And look what happened. See, the paper towels absorbed all the color and all the liquid, and it went into this, to the next cup. And the two colors kind of mixed, right? From the red and from the yellow, the two colors mixed and combined together to make orange, right? Because red and yellow make orange. And the same thing happens with the yellow and the blue. The two colors combined and they made, what is it? Green. That's right. And these two colors, the blue and the red, they combine together to make purple, right? So that's a really dark purple. I'm sorry if you can't see or notice if it's purple, but it is purple. And you can see that the colors, they combined, they absorbed onto the paper towels. And now all our cups are filled. Okay, now this does take time and it does take patience, and slowly over time you will see that the empty cups will begin to fill up with water and the new color. I hope you try this experiment at home, and I hope you have fun and enjoy. Bye everyone, see you all soon.